Hey guys, welcome back to the class. So let's complete last leg of enterprise structure under definition, which is going to be logistic and execution. To start with logistic and execution, let's type SPRO as a transaction code into the transaction box, then click on the implementation guide, then try to find out enterprise structure, expand the tab, then go to the definition. Under definition, as of now, we have completed financial accounting, controlling, logistic general, sales and distribution, and material management. And the last leg for the definition is going to be logistic execution, where we need to create warehouse number, shipping point, loading point, transportation planning point. From the definition standpoint, it is absolutely clear from the name itself for the warehouse. And if you want to explore more definition, then you can refer the documentation tab as well. So this is about warehouse. If you want to see the shipping point, then the definition is available in documentation tab. But just for your quick ready reference, shipping point is the point where I'll ship the goods. In the same way, loading point is the point where I'll load the goods, to the transport, either truck, railway, or ship, the transportation mode which I am using for the dispatch. And the transportation planning point is the point where I can do the transportation planning. Okay, so with that, let's create the warehouse number first. So click on the warehouse, this execute tab, then click on the define warehouse number, click on the new entry, type your code. Maybe I can say I can create RC1, and this is going to be warehouse for RCC2 company code. Try to hit OK. Then try to save the records, provide the CR number. That's all. You have successfully created one warehouse, the code which we can use to store the goods for the longer time. Now go back one step more, close this window. Now we need to create the shipping point. Again, click on the execute button for the shipping point, then define shipping point. You can use the double click option here. Then click on the new entry, provide the code. I can say RCC2 would be the shipping point for the RCC2 company code here. Country will populate automatically based on the address which I am going to fill for this point. Rest of the information is quite critical for the interview, so it is highly recommended, suggested to pay or to give some more time in order to understand the different fields. In case if you have any question or if you are not able to understand the exact meaning of that particular field, then feel free to send that query over the email, or you can also use the chat section. With that, let me try to complete my shipping point. After filling the code and the description, you can press the enter button, then try to save the records. Then the next window would be to provide the address of the shipping point. So as we know, I'll provide only few information just for my class, but in the real scenario, all the informations are mandatory. So for this class, I am just filling country as a IN, hit enter, provide the CR. Now we can see country code has been populated automatically. So my RCC2 as a shipping point has been created for the RCC2 company code. Okay, so go back one step more, click yes, close this window. The next would be to maintain the loading point. Loading point always created under the shipping point. So just now we have created RCC2, so I will provide shipping point RCC2 and I'll click OK. I have already created one entry earlier, but maybe for this class I can create one more entry with the R2. X Kumar would be the responsible person, and this is going to be loading point for RCC2. Try to hit OK, then try to save the records. Click the CR request number. Now we can see there will be two loading points against one shipping point. So the interview question, if they ask how many shipping points or how many loading points we can assign with one shipping point, so answer would be multiple loading points can be assigned against one shipping point. So in this way, you need to prepare yourself for the interview. Okay, so with that, let me click back. The last step would be for the logistic and execution is transportation planning point. So I'll click here, then provide the new entry, give the code. Maybe I can give RCC2 as my transportation planning point. I can give the description, TRS PT4RCC2, then provide the company code, and this company code is going to be automatically assigned with this transportation planning point. Provide the minimum information here, but in real scenario, please keep in mind you have to provide full information on the screen. Okay, so I'll just save the record, try to save the entry, then provide the CR number. That's all. So you have created one transportation planning point, and company code also you have assigned here. Okay, so go back. So with that, we have completed logistic execution, and I can say we have completed the definition part successfully now. So from my next video, I'm going to start the assignment part, and till the time, again the same, the suggestion, do the practice as much as you can. In case if you have any question, then you know how to connect with me. Maybe you can use the email section, or you can use the chat section. Thank you so much for listening me. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.